Psalm 23 says this, "The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He guides me along paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever." Amen. So why do you doubt the Lord, if with him you will lack nothing? Why do you fear, if he makes you rest in green pastures? Why don't you trust him, if he leads you along paths of righteousness? Why don't you listen to him, if he does everything out of love? Why do you doubt, if he is with you? Why do you grow discouraged, if his rod and staff give you comfort? Why don't you believe in what God can do in your life, if he has anointed your head with oil? Why do you worry about tomorrow, if goodness and mercy will follow you all the days of your life? And with God, you will dwell in his house forever? Trust. Do not fear. God is with you. I repeat to you, trust. Do not fear. God is with you. Blessings. Hello. I invite you to subscribe to this channel because many great reflections and prayers are coming and I wouldn't want you to miss them. Sending you a big hug from the heart. May God bless you.